I was right about these Air Jordan 1s. These skyrocketed in price. Giveaway for the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 Low. All you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size. For a bonus entry, you guys can follow me over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, and DM me proof that you guys did everything. This giveaway ends at the end of October, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott's. Good luck. These Air Jordan 1s have skyrocketed in price. The market has settled. They've been expensive. They will forever be expensive and only go up to the moon, honestly, from this point forward. You guys should have bought these already. I was right about these Air Jordan 1s. This was a great call. You guys definitely made some good money. However, if you wanted these sneakers for the personal, you should have bought them when they dropped, because they've done nothing but went to the moon in price. These Air Jordan 1s are fire. Sometimes I get calls wrong. Sometimes I get calls right. I am not a sneaker guru. I can't tell the future. And I just go based on my experiences, based on my history, based on what I think and believe is going to happen. I've been in the sneaker game since 2010. So I just give you guys this information that I believe, history repeats itself in certain ways. And I just go based on what I believe is going to happen in the market. And I tell you guys here on YouTube, hey, buy this, don't buy that. It's all my opinion at the end of the day. Well, sometimes I get calls right, sometimes I get calls wrong. In this case, I got this call completely right, and we're gonna go through why I got it right, what I believe happened to the market, why this sneaker skyrocketed quickly. These Air Jordan 1s went up to the moon quick, and they're going to maintain there like they have been for quite some time, and they're just gonna go up even more. Don't sleep on them. If you've been sleeping, don't sleep anymore. Don't. Wake up and buy them, because you do not want to miss out on these Air Jordan 1s. Trust me. These Air Jordan 1s come in your regular Air Jordan 1 box. Right now, I don't have them inside the box. I actually have these Air Jordan 1s inside of my Soul Premise backpack. They make bags to store your sneakers when you're traveling. Check that, I got my Jordan 4s, Jordan 1s in the bag. I also have my laptop in the bag, room for tons more clothes, a bunch of things, my chargers, everything I need, and there's also some front compartments as well. There are tons of Soul Premise bags, from backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags. All of their bags are high quality, great materials, and very, very stylish. All their bags are also 40% off when you guys use my code DannyMoore at checkout. So be sure to click my link down below in the description and use the code Danny Moore, my name, Danny Moore, at checkout. That'll give you 40% off your entire order from Soul Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. Check that out, guys. Be sure you guys go cop. Link down below. Check out Soul Premise. So I'm storing my Jordan 1s inside of my bag here because I just came back from a trip. So make sure you guys check out Soul Premise. They make high quality bags for sneakerheads when you're traveling. They store your sneakers very safe and securely. Check that out. So now I can just take them out of the bag, and we'll talk about these Air Jordan 1s. I'm telling you guys, oh my goodness, this was a great investment. This was a great call. These Air Jordan 1s have done nothing but went to the moon in price. They're gonna maintain there. They're gonna become more expensive in the future. Don't sleep on the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. This is a reminder. Do not forget about the Mocha 1s. StockX says that the Mocha Jordan 1 is the most fake sneaker sent in to them. So I want to do a video, if you guys want me to, buying the most fake sneaker, the Mocha 1s from StockX. If you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys smash that like button. I gotta see an easy 300 likes on this video, so make sure you guys smash that like button. Thank you guys so much for hitting that thumbs up. These started off at around $350. Who remembers when they go for around $340, $350? Well, not anymore. They haven't been that price basically since release. A few weeks after release, very, very quickly, take a look at the graph, they went up quickly to $400, $450. They also went up a little bit more. They touched $550, almost $600 at one point. They have dropped a little bit now. They're back down to around $550 depending on the size, $520 depending on the size. Guys, don't sleep. Don't forget about them. Use this video as a reminder. Hey, if you don't have Mochas, you slept hard. But stop sleeping. Wake up, because you guys don't want to sleep on the Mochas anymore. Trust me. as time goes on, more and more expensive. That brown is beautiful. You guys see, I wear my pair a lot. They're so wearable, so clean, great looking sneaker. Now, why did these go up in price? Let's talk about it. With the success of the Travis Scott Mocha Jordan 1, they had to do the Mochas. It really is that simple. The color blocking is great. Materials are nice. They're good quality. The brown hype was real. It's real, guys. And people really wanted a brown Jordan 1 besides the Travis Scotts when these were reselling at the time for what, like $1,500, a little, maybe $1,000. And now they're going for almost $2,000. So it's very obvious that Nike, Jordan Brand, they were going to take advantage of it and put out their own version here on a Jordan 1. We've been seeing this a lot lately. A lot. I'm talking a lot. We've been seeing it with the Black Canvas 4s. Guys, they're the M&Ms. We saw it with the Thunder 4. They made a red version of the Thunder 4. We saw it with the 3s, the Black Cement 3s. They made a Desert Elephant Jordan 3. It looks similar to the Black Cement. They also made a gold version now that looks like the Black Cement even more. The list goes on. You guys get my point. This really is what started a lot of the hype here. For them taking, you know, a great release that does well, phenomenal on the resale market, and just makes it a more general release and puts it out for a lot more pairs. And the Mochas have just done phenomenal on the market. Grade School, oh, forget it. Grade School was even better. They were going for around 300, which was high at the time. For Grade School, that was high. And now they're at like almost 500 bucks in Grade School sizes as well. It's crazy. But I told you guys, I had a feeling this was gonna happen. After we saw the success of these, I just had a feeling, guys, everyone wanted a brown Jordan 1. And with the black toe color blocking, what more could we ask for? They did these great. They did a great job with this release, and it was just there. Everything was there for these to go up in price. What do I see happening for the future of the Mochas? Well, I see them just maintaining their value and one day going up more and more, potentially hitting one day maybe $800-900. It will take time, but the market is there. Everybody wants the Mochas and people are wearing them. So as less dead stock pairs go out in the market, as the years go on, time goes on, people are not going to forget about the Mochas when they're going for so much. Don't sleep on the Mocha 1s, guys. If you've been sleeping, stop sleeping. If you can get a worn pair, a good clean worn pair, maybe do that. But yes, you guys need to pick up the Mochas if you haven't. If you've been sleeping, stop sleeping and buy the Jordan 1 Mocha. The Jordan 1 Mocha is fire. Straight fire. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 1 Mocha is fire. Straight fire. Thanks for watching, guys. Click here to watch another video. We out.